Hello, and welcome to Profitolizer. Let us guide you through the process of adding a department under Team Services. The Departments page allows you to create, edit, and delete departments within your company. After logging in, go to Team and select Departments. The main table displays the list of departments in your company. To add a department, click the plus Add Department button to create a new department in your company. You will be prompted to enter the department name, then click the green button. If you want to edit an existing department, click the pencil icon next to the department name. Then edit the department name and click the Save button. You also can delete this department by clicking the trash bin icon next to the department name. Then click the Delete button. Be cautious, as this action is irreversible and will delete all positions within the department. Thank you for watching this video.